the biggest question I get, Henry, is how do I set up an LLC? And my answer to that is typically to ask them why they want to be an LLC, and what is it they feel they're going to get out of being an LLC, which usually leads into a conversation about sort of what I call LLCs 101, because what I tell people is that you don't really need to be an LLC. And people typically think that they're going to be an LLC because they're going to get limited liability, which is not true for most people. The individual who sets up an LLC to run a consulting business or something, the LLC doesn't give them any advantages from the standpoint of a tax deductions or limited liability. It's called a limited liability company, but that doesn't apply for some technical reasons. But the biggest reason is that you can't protect yourself from your own negligence. So if you do something wrong in that business, then somebody's going to be able to sue you, and they're going to come after all of your assets. So it's not a good reason to set up an LLC. There are lots of other reasons to set up an LLC. For example, you might want to use a different name. You might want to use LLC in the name of your business. Sometimes it makes you seem larger than you are in an internet presence. So there's some reasons to do it for that perspective. You might want to have other owners involved in it, and that's another reason to set up an LLC potentially.